Check it out! We can now mirror on the X and Y axis, and it looks fucking beautiful. Let's look at what we got. So in the top level constant macros, I thought I could mirror by using Zor. You can't fucking do this. They're now monkey wrench macros. And the top level lookup tables, this solution, while a little bit clunky, does work. So mirror on the X, touching to touching, right? Input a touching value, get a touching value out. So here are the inputs, 0 to 15 inclusive, and here are the outputs. So here's the outputs in binary, and here are the outputs in hex. For the table for mirroring on the Y, same idea, touching value goes in, touching value goes out. Here are the inputs, here are the outputs, and here are the outputs in hex. Here's our shader constants file for ArtGirl. We have injected, the lookup table constants. So we've injected both of these lookup tables right here using our special syntax. And in shader 7, we have changed this from to do to done. And if we are mirroring on the X, we are going to mirror the touching value here, mirroring on the Y, mirroring the touching value here. And then also, we want to use discrete internal mirrored rather than discrete internal local right here for the 4x4 graphics tint. So we want to mirror the edge graphics and the lighting graphics. Any graphics that are being stamped into the tile need to have their internal coordinates mirrored. In the preprocessor, we added a tag to find this, and here's our preprocessor function. In this lookup table array, we've added the two lookup tables, and then the names, we've added the names we want to use on the GPU, and then finally, the injection site tokens, and increase the max index by 2. Here's footnotes, what we did previously, and a whole bunch of footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go here. We don't have time here. This is where you are here. You get the source code here. Email me here. You've been on video number 330. Like, subscribe.